Hi, in this video, I'm going to continue practice question for surface area and volume of the solid. So we can see from here, a shop has 4 different rectangular prisms of the volume of 64,000. So the volume of the rectangular prism, the volume equal to length times with width and with the height. So we got the first length and width, so we can substitute it here. So the volume is 64,000 equal to 80 times 40, and then we multiply it with the height. So here each we divide by 80, so we got 64,000 divided by 80, so it's gonna be 800, and it's gonna be 40 times height. So we got 800 just divided by 40, so each we divide by 40. So this will give us the answer of height equal to 20, so we can write it here as 20. Next, okay, we got the length, but we don't know the width and height. So volume equal to, let's arrange the formula. So width times height, and here volume divided by the length. So the volume is 64,000 equal to width times height. Here 64,000 we divide by 50. So 64,000 we divide by 50. This will give us the answer of 1,280 for width and height. So we need to find two numbers. As long as we multiply this, the product will be 1,280. This will be okay. So first we got 64 times 20. This equal to 1,280. So what else can we write? So 1,280 we can divide by 40, or we can make it like 32 times with 40. This also equal to 128. So you just pick the pair that you would like, as long as when we multiply the product equal to 1,280. So the width I will pick 32 and the height is 40. Okay, do the same thing for 8, the third. So length equal to height. Yeah, length times height equal to volume divided by the width. So we got LA equal to 64,000. We divide by 80. 64,000 we divide by 80. So we need to find the two number that the product will be 800. So I will pick 108, or you can pick like example 800. So or you can make it like 50 and 16. That's possible, as long as when we multiply it, this will be equal to 800. Okay, next we got the height. So L with multiplied by is volume divided by the height. So it's gonna be 64,000. We divide by 16. 64,000 we divide by 16. This will be 4,000. So L times width equal to 4,000. So I will pick 50 and 80. So as long as you multiply, the product will be 4,000. That's totally fine. Next, find the volume of the following solid. Okay, first let's find it this area of the base. So it's gonna be 1/3 area of base times the height. So 1/3 times, this is a pi circle. So pi r square and then h. So 1/3 we multiply with pi, and then r square is 1.2. We make it square and then multiply it with 3.5. So 1.2 square, we multiply it with 3.5. It's gonna be 5.04 divided by 3. Oh, that was too big. We make it, and then pi. So this divided by 3 is gonna be 1.68 pi. So as the question requested to make it the correct two decimal place, so we can make it 1.68 pi. This equal to 5.28 centimeter square. Now this sphere, the volume of the sphere is 4/3 phi r cube. So 4/3 phi r is mean 20 cube. So 20 cube is 8,000 times with 4. It's gonna be 32,000 divided by 3 pi. So this divided by 3. So 32,000 we divide by 3 is okay, we got it. And then multiply it with pi. After we round it to two decimal place, this will give us answer of 3351.0.52 meter cube. Next for the C. Okay, find it the base. So this is a rectangle. So the volume is 1/3 of the area, base area is 8 times 2.7, and then we times with the height, which is 3.5. So 2.7 is gonna be 8, and then here we can simplify it. Divided by 3 is gonna be 0.9 times 3.5. So we can multiply it. This will give us the answer of 25.2 centimeter square. Next, D. So we got a half sphere and then the cone. Okay, let us find it. So this is a half of the sphere. It means 4/3 pi r cube, and then we will addition with the cone. So 1/3. The area is pi r square with the height. So let us substitute it. So this is gonna be 2/3 pi r square is mean 3 power of 3 plus by 1/3 pi r square times 12. R square we know is 3. So 3 square is 9. So this is 18 pi plus with this 3, 12, so 36 pi. So we got 18 pi. We will addition with 36 pi. It will be 54 pi. So 54 pi, this equal to, we can make it 169.65 centimeter cube. Okay, we got sphere, a half and a half is gonna be to be one sphere. So 4/3 pi r cube. We addition with cylinder. Not cylinder, this is prism. So the area of prism times with the length. So 4/3 pi, if this is 36, so half of 36 is 18 cube plus the area is gonna be pi r square. We know r is mean 18. So 18 cube, the length is gonna be 40. So let us addition first, multiplication. So we got 18 cube, and we can divide by 3 times with 4. So it's gonna be 7,776 plus by, let's make it 18 square times by 40. It's gonna be, this is pi, 12,960 pi. We plus with, just addition is 776, so it's gonna be 20,736 pi. Okay, we make it to 2 decimal place, so this will give us the answer of 65,144.07 millimeter cube. Next, give your answer in this question in standard form. Three significant figures. The Earth has the average of, look at here, 6,371 kilometer. Okay, that average radius. So find the volume. So let us make it. So the volume, if this is a sphere, so 4 over 3 pi r cube. So this let us make it to be 6.371 times 10 power of 3. So this is 4 over 3 pi. Then we make it r, is means 6.371 times 10 power of 3, and we make it cube. So this is 4 over 3 pi. So let us make it for here. This will be 10. 3 times 3 is going to be 9. So 6.371. We make it cube. It's going to be 258.59. Okay, you can use a calculator here. So this will give you the answer of 1.08 times 10 power of 12. Sorry, it's gonna be 12. We add it from here too. So this is a 12, then kilometer cube. So next is, let us find the surface area. So the surface area of the sphere, how can we find it? The surface area of sphere. So the area is gonna be 4, we don't divide it by 3, 5, and then r square. So 4 and then pi, r square is gonna be 6.371, and then this times 10 power of 3 and then square. It's gonna be 10 power of 6, and this is pi 4. So 6.371, we make it square, it's gonna be 40.59. Okay, here this will give us the answer of 5.010 times 10 power of 8 kilometer square. Number 11, calculate the surface area of each compound solid. Okay, look at the top, and then down we got 2. So this is 0.45. We multiply it with 0.1. Then we addition here in front and back. They have 2. So 2 times 0.1 times 0.3. We plus with behind only 1, which is 0.45. We multiply it with 0.3. And look at, we got this triangle, 2 triangle. So 2 times 1 over 2 of this triangle, 0.16 times the height is 0.3. And then we plus with this area the last, which is only 1, 0.15. We multiply it with the height here is 0.34. You can calculate it. This will give you the answer of 0.498 meters square. Next, we will see cube. We got 6 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, behind 5, and then down. But here, you can see from here. So the surface area, we got the circle on it. So let us just make it 5. Multiply with the square, 15 square. Then we addition this area, the circle area, which is pi r square. So r is mean, what is the r is 7.5 square. We addition again. How do we know this area? So this basically is like here, the square, 15 square, we minus it with this area, the circle area. So pi, multiply it with here 7.5 square. And then the last, the area of here. So this is will give you, okay, the length is gonna be 11 times with this, how long is it, the circumference. So it's gonna be 15 pi. So after you calculating, you can use a calculator. This will give you the answer of 1868.36 centimeters square. There it is. Thank you.